What is up, Stellar fans? How are you doing today? Yeah, no, seriously, how are you doing today? Let me know in the comments below. Today, we are going to talk about Stellar and the things that matter. There's a lot of FUD out there. There's a lot of junk regarding technicals. Well, I'm going to show you the news that matters, and, well, actually, let's just go on and explore it. And as always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. Grayscale CEO. Bitcoin spot ETF approval by the SEC is inevitable. We know that Grayscale, yes, the leader in crypto holdings, wants to have that spot ETF there. Why? Let's forget the paper crap trading and let's trade with spot, or on spot is a better way to put it right now. This would open the doors to other cryptos like Stellar having that same tradability through an ETF. That would open the gates to tons and tons of money that could flow into crypto. So keeping an eye on this Grayscale Bitcoin spot ETF thing, this is big. And I'm telling you, the SEC is backed up against the wall. They're pretty much going to have to approve it at the way this is going. But there's more, and this is kind of the FUD that I want to talk about, right? So we've got the big things that move crypto, stories like this, but then we got FUD. Stellar price prediction XLM is set for 24 cents with an inverted H&S pattern. Let's be real here. With everything that we've seen, is any of this stuff trading on technicals? You could talk to me about head and shoulders, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, the premise of this article was that, you know what, Stellar is going to hit that 24 cent, and here is the pattern that's telling us. Listen, everyone, there is so much printed fiat money out there. Yep, Jerome Powell, getting that money printer going, right? Spitting it out has flooded the market. The market hasn't traded on fundamentals in a long time. The market is trading on fear and news cycles right now. I did a video about inflation, a couple days ago. I think it was yesterday's video. And it showed you that when the inflation data hits, that's when Stellar goes down, right? So again, it's not based on these technical patterns. It's based on news flow. And what we have to do is we have to take that step further back, right? Because Stellar, yes, did not go to that 24 cent after writing of that article. It actually retraced now sub 20 yet again. Buying opportunity. But look at what is strong. I keep bringing it out there, everyone. Gold right now is making that charge. Safe haven assets, $1,992 right now, making another run. You saw the last one got thwarted at about 2,000, I think it was 2,050, somewhere around there. It is now going to go to try to break 2,000. That is going to take news away from crypto, right? Safe haven assets. The other thing, what else is roaring and still holding strong? We have oil. Oil is still north of 100. Oil's chart looks very similar to gold, where we saw them retrace almost from $130 as a high. They're trying yet again to break through that 110 mark and to hold 110. We haven't seen oil do that, but that is where things are happening right now. It is in safe haven assets. It is in oil. There's just so much turmoil going on right now. So as you go back to these news articles, you got to use them. Just grain of salt, everyone. Grain of salt. And why? Because right now we're seeing the market is not trading on technicals. Draw all the lines and crap that you want for me. None of them are going to show you this mishmash and show you the story that is going to happen. It hasn't happened. Really don't see the market trading based on technicals right now. Now, don't get me wrong. I think there are still technical resistance points that are holding, especially with Stellar. But I think the idea of technicals are on the side with the way that there's so much fiat out there. There's so much money flowing into safe haven assets, right? Precious metals. And there's so much money flowing into oil and energy right now. I think those factors are going to drive the price of Stellar, drive crypto more than you're going to see any of those like head and shoulders, flag patterns, any of that kind of stuff. But that's just my opinion. Now, I was just out in Colorado, so please do me a favor, check out that channel, subscribe to that channel, because you know what? Subscribing to that channel helps out this one because it gives me that balance in life. It's not always about crypto. It is sometimes about having fun too. So check out that channel linked right here, and you are also welcome to check out really cool Stellar stuff linked right here. All right, everyone, take care.